Are you a project manager under constant pressure to provide results, with meetings lasting forever and deadlines getting in the way? Well, guess what? You're not the only one. In this fast-paced industry, burnout is real, but it doesn't have to be your fate. In this video, we're going to look at 10 practical tips to keep you motivated and performing at the top of your game. Although project managers frequently struggle with burnout, there are some very simple ways to deal with it or even avoid it altogether. You can protect your health and maintain a high level of productivity by putting these strategies into practice and developing a proactive mindset. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Number 10. Set boundaries. Keeping your personal and professional lives separate is essential to preserving your mental and emotional well-being. It's easy for work to bleed into your personal life while managing projects, causing stress and increasing the likelihood of burnout. It's hard to unwind and refuel when this happens. Chronic stress brought on by this imbalance could have an adverse effect on your health and productivity at work. Communicate your availability. Clearly articulate your working hours to your team and stakeholders. Use your calendar to block off times when you are unavailable and stick to it. This sets expectations and reinforces your commitment to maintaining balance. Set email boundaries. Consider implementing a policy of not checking emails after a certain time each day. This simple rule can create mental space, preventing work-related anxiety from invading your evenings. Create a transition ritual. Develop a routine to signal the end of your workday, such as a short walk or a few minutes of reading. This practice helps you shift your mindset from work to personal time. Number 9. Prioritize tasks. Not every task is a top priority. Prioritizing allows you to focus on what really matters, which improves time management and reduces the chances of feeling overwhelmed. If you don't set clear priorities, you can spend too much time on unimportant things, which could cause stress and a feeling of unrealized potential. Burnout is even worse during this cycle, which leaves you feeling busy but unproductive. The Eisenhower Matrix. This method categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important, while delegating or eliminating those that aren't. Daily planning sessions. Dedicate a few minutes at the start or end of each day to review and adjust your task list. This ensures that you're focused on the most critical tasks. Learn to reassess. As projects evolve, be open to reassessing priorities. What was once urgent might become less important, and being flexible allows you to adapt without being overwhelmed. Number 8. Delegate effectively. As a project manager, it's tempting to take on everything yourself. However, effective delegation can significantly lighten your load and empower your team, leading to greater overall success. Delegation not only helps reduce your stress, but also builds trust within your team. When team members know their contributions are valued, they are likely to be more engaged and take ownership of their work. Identify team strengths. Take time to understand your team members' skills and interests. Delegate tasks that align with their strengths, which can lead to better outcomes and increased job satisfaction. Set clear expectations. When delegating, clearly outline the task, expected outcomes, and deadlines. This clarity helps team members feel confident and minimizes the chance of miscommunication. Encourage autonomy. Resist the urge to micromanage. Trusting your team to make decisions fosters a culture of accountability and innovation, reducing pressure on you to oversee every detail. Number 7. Schedule regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining focus, energy, and creativity. Short, intentional breaks can significantly boost productivity and well-being. Continuous work without breaks can lead to mental fatigue, reduced concentration, and you guessed it, burnout. Regular breaks allow your brain to rest and recharge, enhancing your overall performance. Pomodoro Technique. Implement this time management method by working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This structured approach will help you maintain concentration while preventing fatigue. Movement breaks. Use breaks to stretch or take short walks. Physical movement helps clear your mind and provides energy, making you more productive when you return to work. Mindful breaks. Consider using your breaks for mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing or meditation. These practices can help you reset mentally and reduce stress. Number 6, foster a supportive team culture. Creating an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their challenges is vital for reducing stress and preventing burnout. A positive team culture encourages collaboration and open communication and can alleviate stress, which will reduce the pressure on you as a leader. When team members feel comfortable discussing their challenges, it creates a sense of shared responsibility and mutual support. Encourage open communication. Regularly check in with your team and create spaces where they can share their thoughts and concerns without fear of judgment. Promote team-building activities. Engage in activities that strengthen team bonds, ranging from casual social events to structured team-building exercises that encourage collaboration. Recognize contributions. Acknowledge and celebrate both individual and team achievements. Recognition fosters a sense of belonging and motivates team members to contribute actively. Number 5, embrace continuous learning. Investing in your professional development can reignite your passion for project management. Continuous learning keeps you sharp and equips you with fresh perspectives, and in a rapidly changing environment, it's essential for personal and professional growth. It also helps combat the stagnant feeling that can lead to burnout. Attend workshops and conferences. Participate in industry-related events to stay updated on trends and best practices. Networking with peers can also provide inspiration and new ideas. Online courses and certifications. Consider enrolling in online courses that align with your career goals. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning offer numerous options for skill enhancement. Join professional organizations. Becoming a member of organizations like PMI, Project Management Institute, can provide access to valuable resources, training, and networking opportunities. Number 4, use technology. Leveraging project management tools can streamline your workflow and reduce the cognitive load of managing multiple projects. The right tools can help you stay organized, track progress, and improve communication with your team. This efficiency can significantly reduce stress and prevent burnout. Project management software. Utilize tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com to manage tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. These platforms enhance visibility and accountability, which can reduce the stress of juggling multiple tasks. Communication platforms. Use platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to facilitate real-time communication. This can streamline discussions and reduce the need for lengthy email threads. Automate repetitive tasks. Identify tasks that can be automated, such as reporting or data entry. Automation can save time and allow you to focus on more strategic activities. Number 3, practice mindfulness and stress management. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can help you manage stress and improve your focus. Mindfulness techniques can reduce anxiety and increase your emotional resilience, which is particularly important in a high-pressure environment like project management. Daily meditation. Allocate a few minutes each day for meditation or mindfulness exercises. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through various practices tailored to your needs. Deep breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing when you feel overwhelmed. Techniques like the 4-7-8 method can help calm your mind and reduce stress levels. Gratitude journaling. Keep a journal where you jot down things you're grateful for each day. This practice can help shift your focus from stressors to positive aspects of your life. Number 2, seek feedback regularly. Regular feedback from your team and stakeholders can help you identify areas for improvement and prevent potential pitfalls. It also fosters a culture of open communication. Constructive feedback provides reassurance and helps you feel more connected to your projects. It can clarify expectations and improve team performance. 360-degree feedback. Consider implementing a 360-degree feedback process where team members can provide input on your management style and project direction. This holistic approach can yield valuable insights. Regular check-ins. Schedule periodic one-on-one meetings with your team members to discuss their progress and solicit feedback. These conversations can strengthen relationships and facilitate open communication. Act on feedback. Show that you value feedback by taking action on it. This not only reinforces a culture of improvement, but also builds trust within your team. Number 1. Know when to say no. Sometimes, the best way to avoid burnout is to simply say no. Assess your workload honestly and prioritize what you can realistically handle. Taking on too many responsibilities can lead to fatigue and burnout. Knowing your limits is essential for maintaining your health and well-being. Assess your workload. Review your tasks and commitments regularly. Be honest about what you can realistically accomplish without compromising quality. Communicate honestly. If you're at capacity, communicate this to your team and stakeholders. Offer alternative solutions or suggest postponing non-urgent tasks. This transparency fosters a culture of understanding and support. Practice assertiveness. Learn to say no politely but firmly. You can express gratitude for opportunities while declining additional work that may lead to burnout. Remember, prioritizing your well-being is not just beneficial for you. It also allows you to perform better for your team and company. Reflect on your goals. Revisit your personal and professional goals regularly. Understanding your priorities can help you make informed decisions about which opportunities to pursue and which to decline. I truly hope you got some value from this video and can start implementing these tips today. If you're ready to take control of your career and maintain your passion for project management, you can join our free community by clicking the link in the description. We have a ton of tools and resources available to help you thrive in your role and avoid burnout. Thanks for watching. See you next time.